This is the Mastercraft XT20, a complete powerhouse in a 20-foot package. There's not another 20-footer in the towboat segment that performs like the XT20. It's proof that world-class waves and wakes can come in a smaller package. Choose any Mastercraft and you're getting the best waves and wakes, comfort, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. So, what is it that sets the XT20 apart from the rest of the fleet? To start, the XT20 is perfect for families boating on size-restricted lakes. It's also an excellent choice for those who'd like the ability to store a boat in their garage. And this boat can truly cater to surfers and wakeboarders of all skill levels. When you combine the scalability of the wave and wake performance with unlimited customizability to make the XT20 unique to you, it's clear that the XT20 is in a class of its own. Now, let's dive into some of the details. Starting here at the transom, the XT20 features SurfStar, a comprehensive system that delivers an unmatched surf experience thanks to its reliability, versatility, and ease of use. It's as simple as selecting a rapid surf preset, and the XT20 creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. For those who like to tinker, you can also switch over to the custom surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. Whether you're surfing, wakeboarding, or foiling on the XT20, cut your wait time in half with optional fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps used in Mastercraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain ballast in a matter of minutes, so there's less time waiting and more time surfing. The XT20 comes standard with underwater exhaust. This substantially reduces engine noise and fumes to provide a more refined, pleasant experience for all on board. As far as getting in and out of the boat, your crew can do so with ease, thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. Not ready to get fully into the boat? Enjoy the XT20's integrated transom seating. The sliding base is standard, and a flip-up backrest can be added to take your lounging to the next level. And with storage trays under the transom rear hatches, you can easily access vests and ropes from either side of the transom. The XT20 has a generous sized cockpit for a 20-footer. With seating for up to 12 people, the U-shaped layout is great for socializing. An optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversations in the boat or watch the action behind it. Beneath all the plush interior seating, the XT20 provides extensive under-seat storage and a built-in cooler location, all with hinged seating to make access effortless. Stay cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to CoolFeel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than the standard marine vinyl. So there's no need to shy away from the rich colors that complement your custom design. And one of my favorite updates for model year 2025, all new vinyl and gel coat options have been added to the Mastercraft palette to really make your Mastercraft one of a kind. Packed with Klipsch audio, high-quality acoustic entertainment comes standard on the XT20. Our advanced audio package has 4 speakers and a subwoofer spread throughout the boat. Or opt for our premium audio package that includes additional dash speakers and a bonus subwoofer for some extra low-end punch. The XT20 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area, and they can all be upgraded to provide wireless charging so you can make sure the music keeps going all day long. Now let's talk about tower options. The XT20 can be equipped with 3 different towers, the Z6, Z8, and Z10. All towers come with easy-to-use clamping board racks with an option to upgrade to the power board racks. Combined with our convenient Bimini storage, you have 10 spots for boards on your XT20. Now for 2025, you can choose between a silver or all-black Z6 tower, or if the Z8 and Z10 towers are more your speed, each can be customized with colored inlays seamlessly linking your tower and gel coat design. Lastly, up to 4 speakers can be added to the tower for the ultimate experience behind the boat. The helm area of the XT20 has been completely redesigned for 2025. A massive 12-inch touchscreen is now standard on the XT20, and the entire helm has a much more modern and clean aesthetic. Plus, a convenient storage cubby and phone holder has been added behind the steering wheel. This redesign allowed us to maximize space between the top of the dashboard and the windshield header, providing a larger viewing window for the captain. While the hardware upgrades are beautiful, we also reworked the entire interface to make it even more intuitive, immersive, and customizable. A rudder position sensor has also been added for an enhanced driving experience. Additionally, to make on-the-fly changes easier than ever before, we designed Mastercraft MyDrive, a rotary encoder that puts key controls at your fingertips. The hotkeys coupled with rotary dial allow you to make effortless adjustments while keeping your eyes focused on what's ahead. And we didn't stop there. The 2025 XT20 has a new helm seat that offers unmatched ergonomics and comfort, as well as a more contemporary design. Below the dash, the XT20 is equipped with a standard wireless phone charger to keep your phone full of power. The XT20 sports Mastercraft's iconic pickle fork bow. This wider bow design makes the bow feel very open, roomy, and inviting. An important design for a boat with a smaller footprint. An open walkway leads into the bow, and you can opt for a bow filler cushion if you prefer playpen seating. Due to the wide, open bow and our strategic subfloor ballast design, there's still plenty of underseat storage up front, along with dedicated anchor storage on centerline. While the behind-the-boat experience on the XT20 is unmatched, it's also worth mentioning that our team of naval architects designed the XT20 hull to deliver a smooth, dry ride. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an incredible on-water experience for those inside the boat and for those behind it. With the XT20, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and even opt for fiberglass fenders, a backup camera, electronic brakes, or a tire pressure monitoring system for a premium towing experience. Wonder what powers the XT20? Captains will love the fact that the XT20 now comes standard with our all-new 5.3-liter GDI high-output motor. It utilizes the latest in automotive technology to deliver 380 horsepower, 407 pound-feet of torque, a 4-star emissions rating, improved efficiency and power, and approximately 15% less fuel consumption than our legacy 6-liter engine. And it's all backed by the Ilmor name. We partner exclusively with Ilmor Marine to design our engines. They're known for hand-building race car engines, and they're highly revered for both their performance and their endurance in the racing industry. That's precisely why Mastercraft engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. And our commitment to reliability doesn't end at the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the world to ensure that you get the best customer experience. Thanks to standard onboard telematics, our dealers can remotely monitor your boat's vitals to anticipate your service needs. Telematics also allows you to check on your boat's health and status via the Mastercraft Connect app. You can even switch off your battery from your phone. Finally, rest assured that every XT20 comes standard with MasterCare. We're here to support you with a comprehensive 5-year, 500-hour warranty featuring minimal exclusions. Thanks so much for joining me today to explore the XT20. If you'd like to get on the water to experience some Mastercraft difference for yourself, please contact your local Mastercraft dealer or head over to mastercraft.com.